Hey guys, so it's been a little bit far and few between since our last post. We've been really busy. We've got quite a few videos that are going to be coming out after this one, and we've been getting heaps of messages asking when's the next one coming up. I think with all this home isolation, I think everyone's sort of trying to come up with ideas, designs, because everyone's got so much time on their hands at the moment. But anyways, this is one of our latest builds that we built for Gareth from Gem Aquatics in Canberra. So we've finally got this monster sump completed for him. So we'll go for a bit of a walkthrough. So he's obviously building a full custom marine setup for his home. Can't tell you how big the tank is, it is quite large. Just go buying the length of the sump. So we've got our two 1.5 inch bulkheads there, and that goes down into the silencer chamber. Then we've got our 3 recessed filter socks. Then we come into this chamber here. We've got a skimmer chamber with our adjustable baffles. We've also got 2 auxiliary bulkheads here. He's chosen not to put lids on his sump, only the first one obviously to minimize any salt spray. So on the back here we've got our cable cutouts. We've got our 1/2 inch bulkheads here, so if he decides down the track to run a chiller, UV light, calcium reactor, it's all there so it can be all hard plumbed. Then we move into this next chamber here. So what we've done here, to minimize cost on having to go into thicker material, but also still not taking away the integrity of this sump, these 2 big chambers here is actually a big refugium chamber. So we split the chamber just so we can still keep enough strength in the overall sump because of the length of it and the amount of water that it holds. But what we've done here, we've brought the cutout virtually to the floor in this baffle here, as you can see. We've also done adjustable slide gate so he can manipulate the water in that as it passes through to the other chamber to help create some turbulence in the water. And then we've got the other chamber here, the other refugium, again with the adjustable baffle. So again, he'll be able to manipulate his water height. Then we've put a diversion baffle in, so we can direct the water straight down into this chamber here, which is going to be his media chamber. This will hold anywhere up to 6 marine pure blocks, depending on whatever height set he has his water set at. If that makes any sense, whatever height his water is at. Again, we've put some auxiliary bulkheads there as well for him. And then we put another diversion baffle in so we can direct that water back down into the last chamber, basically acting as a bubble chamber. We've got our probe holder in there, adjustable probe holder. We've got more of our cable cutouts for him, so his cables are all sitting in there nice and tucked away. Bulkheads there for running multiple pumps. All of his dosing ports, and that center one, which is a little bit larger, is going to be for his auto top up. So this sump measures 1.8 by 450 in width by 550 in height. We've put the multi-changing color LEDs in it. As we do with all of our high-end builds. Got all of our emergency cutouts on the top as we do with all of our sumps. to stop any water backing up in a particular chamber if something was to occur. We've got our polycarbonate lid for the filter sock chamber, which is recessed. Gives it that really nice clean finish. And then in the media chamber here, we've got our removable media tray, so that keeps the media suspended off the floor. So if this is something that might interest you guys, or something similar, feel free to give us, contact us through our Facebook page, Instagram, or through our website. We're more than happy to answer any questions for you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.